From Daily Forex, this is Chris looking at Bitcoin, and you can see we have rallied yet again. We're above $11,000, and that's a pretty significant event because we've broken above the $10,000 psychological barrier and this kind of uptrending channel I have drawn. My next area of concern is roughly $12,000, right about here. So, yeah, about $12,000. And that makes sense because we've been moving in increments of $2,000 at a time. We have been since here when we took off at 4. We've gone 4, we paused at 5, made it to 6, stopped there, shot to 8, pulled back, reached to 10, and now we're going to 12. This is a significant resistance barrier, and I don't think we blast through it like we did 10. Could be wrong, but we've tested it several times. The thing about this is, and you guys know, I'm not a believer in Bitcoin. I do not think it's going to change the world. Blockchain may, but I don't think Bitcoin does. But I learned a long time ago, you don't fight the tape. And the tape right now says we are going higher. You should be buying, not selling. So I look at short-term pullbacks as buying opportunities, especially near the $10,000 level. But even below there, down at the 8,000-ish level, I'd be interested as well. There's just no reason to sell this. My personal opinion, I think we go much higher, and I think we crash again. I think this market is going to be prone to do that because that's just been its nature all along. You can see, I mean, it doesn't look like much down here, but that's 3,000 from 5,000. I mean, that's almost a 50% crash. That's no joke. And now that you have institutions tinkering around in this, they're going to crash it much quicker because this is not a heavily traded instrument, despite what you may believe. It's not even close to what like the euro trades. I mean, it's not even in the same universe. So it takes a lot less to bring it down. You know, if several of the institutions went out for whatever reason, it'll drop $1,000 in the blink of an eye. It could be a hack on exchange or, you know, something to that effect. So I think we're going to continue to see pullbacks, and I do think that eventually we're going to see this again. But we're nowhere near it right now. I don't, unless some specific event happens, I don't think we're anywhere near worrying about that kind of trouble in this market. So with that in mind, we need to just simply look for buying opportunities on the dips. No need to fight the tape. That's a great way to lose money. And, you know, this is coming from somebody who, quite frankly, doesn't believe in Bitcoin. But I'm telling you, this chart is telling you it's going higher. So look for pullbacks for value and take advantage.